Hey friends, if you're unable to change the screen brightness on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now ideally you can click on the system tray icon here and change the screen brightness easily. But if you are unable to do that, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions and I will explain the cause behind each of these resolutions. So the first one is to update the drivers. This has actually worked for a lot of users. I'll show you. So if I show you the Microsoft Answers forum on this, more than 1400 users have confirmed it. More than 1400. So it's a working solution. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the Intel adapter and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. If you have any other display adapters in this list, update those as well. If you have an external graphics card, you will have to update that one as well. Now if this works, which it will in most of the cases, as it has been confirmed in this article here by a lot of users, if it works well and good, if not, then simply right click on this and select uninstall device. I won't click on it because I am recording a video, but you can click on uninstall device. After that, right click on this one again and select scan for hardware changes. This is after uninstalling the device, and obviously you can restart your computer after that. Now this is the solution regarding the drivers, but what if we didn't find the option in the system tray here? Like some may say that we don't find the brightness slider here. It is strange because the Windows update has shifted it here, but in that case, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. It will update automatically. Meanwhile, we can proceed to the next solution, which is to go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane and use the slider to change the brightness of the system. It should usually work from here. The next solution will be to reboot your system in the clean boot state. And why? Because what if a third-party software product, there are a lot of such third-party software products. So what if a third-party software product is causing some impact on your system and is managing the brightness of the system? In that case, you won't be able to change it. So here's a simple solution. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.